Another way to do multiplication is by using partial products, but also using it with the box method is what we call it. So let's take a 3-digit number and a 2-digit number, so 374 times 5. And we're going to use partial products for this a little bit differently than we used partial products before. So for this partial products, we're actually going to draw a box. Now our box, the number of rows, so I have one row because I have one digit down there. I'm going to split it up into 3 columns because I have 3 numbers up there. So I'm going to do 1 column, 2 columns, 3 columns. So 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to put them kind of right next to where they belong because I need to expand this. So that's 300 plus 70 plus 4, and this is just 5. So I'm going to put the 5 on this side, and I'm going to split these numbers up on the tops here. So 300, 70, then 4. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to take the number above and the number to the side, which in this case just happens to always be 5. And I'm going to multiply them together. So 5 times 3 is 15. But remember, it's 300, so we got to put those zeros there as well. 5 times 7 is 35. Add my 0, 350. 5 times 4 is 20. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to add those up. Make sure you line them up according to their place values. So once I line them up, I'm going to add them. It's kind of like expanded form. I'm just going to go straight down and add these numbers. So 374 times 5 is equal to 1,817. I want to show you this with a 4-digit number just so you know what it looks like. So remember, the number of rows is determined by how many numbers we have at the bottom, or how many digits. So I only have 1 digit there, so I'm just going to create 1 row. But then I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. So then I'm going to expand this. 4,000 plus 600 plus 90 plus 2. And then this is just 6. I'm going to put my 6 there. And then I'm going to split all these numbers up there. So 4,000, 600, 90, and 2. Then I'm just going to simply multiply them. So 6 times 4 is 24. Don't forget your zeros. 6 times 6 is 36. Don't forget your zeros. 6 times 9 is 54. Add your 0. And then 6 times 2 is 12. And then I'm just going to simply add those up. Lining them up and then adding them. So 4,692 times 6 is equal to 28,152. And that is how you use partial products, but using the box method as well.